Welcome to the first episode of the 2-Minute Mad Skills Discovery Clinic. Let me start with a simple observation. Most case presentations don't fail because the solution is bad. They struggle because role playing is missing. And that's incredibly common in competitions and classrooms. Case assignments often feel like conversations, so the teams present them that way. But what happens when something breaks? Instead of advocating for a solution, the teams end up summarizing the case, repeating the facts, and hoping the audience connects the dots. That makes it much harder to convince anyone that your solution is the best solution. Here's how to shift everything. Stop thinking like a student and start stepping into a role. When you role play, you no longer just analyze the problem, you're solving it for someone. That's when solutions start to connect the dots directly to the real pain points. The good news, competition in classrooms are the perfect place to practice this. Low risk environments where you can experiment, refine, and build confidence before the stakes are real. Think of them as rehearsals for your professional decision making. How do you make role playing real? First, clearly identify your role and the audience's role. Say it out loud and introduce yourself in the role. Use the right pronouns, match the level of formality, maintain the clear boundaries. The clarity makes your pitch sharper, especially during Q&A. Remember, you are we, the audience is you. One final tip, when role playing, step back and view the situation as an outsider. Ask, if I were sitting in the other side of the table, would this convince me? The perspective is incredibly powerful. Role playing isn't acting. It's professional empathy, and it transforms pitches. Thanks for listening to the 2-Minute Mad Skills Discovery Clinic. We hope today's episode gave you some practical advice that you can use right away. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to our podcast on YouTube, Spotify, or your favorite podcast app. And a quick like or 5-star review really helps others find the show. You can support our mission to empower young, aspiring professionals by visiting buymeacoffee.com/treadsoftly or scanning the QR code on the screen. Until next time, keep building those mad skills.